push button and a buzzer also. So first let's talk about the battery. Battery is nothing but it is type of a power source. You will think now, what is this red and black wire? So the black wire is called a negative charge wire and this red is called a positive charge wire. So now let's go further and talk about the push button. Push button is type of a switch, but it is like, you know how your house has a doorbell switch? It is like that. It has a spring, like when you will press it, the spring will collapse, and when you don't do anything, the spring will like open. So now let's go further and talk about the buzzer. Buzzer is nothing but it is type like it. From here the sound will come and you will think, what is this? This is a place where you can rotate it and change its volume. And now let's connect the push button. Now I will show you something very fun. You will think, how will we know that it is on or not? So I think so all you can see this light. So now when we will press it, it means the gate has been opened. Now the connection will go. Now let's even connect the buzzer. Now see. Now let's see it will work or not. It is working perfectly. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and comment how did you like the video. Bye bye.